This is going to be a video tutorial on how to share your location with someone using Apple Maps. I'll be using an iPhone for this. Let me jump over to my phone here. Okay, I have my phone open now and I am on Apple Maps. To share your location with somebody, it's very simple to do. All you need to do is tap on the little blue icon. The little blue icon is exactly where you're at. You just tap on that. And then you want to tap on share. And then it gives you a variety of ways that you can send it. You can send it in a text message, you can send it in an email, you can send it in Messenger, you can send it on Facebook, on Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest. I'm going to send it on Messenger. Then I'm just going to tap send. And that is how you share your location with somebody using Apple Maps. Thanks for watching.